Go to your browser, Firefox, Chrome browser, whatever you have. Open browser and navigate for the official website of Kali Linux. Be careful, don't download from the other websites. Now, keep looking for the original website. Now you have to search for your distro, go in downloads, and as we are using complete, so we have bare metal, I recommend 64 bits. Install it. You can install, go here, download, set the copy in iOS ISO format, but it's happened to be download, and let's remove with it. Go for the next downloader. Balena Etcher official website. Flash the OS. Be careful and remember your flash drive it's completely flashed while installing the Kali iOS in this flash drive. Also, both are downloading. Okay, now go for the next step. We have to run Balena flashing tool. Install it. Select this Acify should bring your download folder. Select it from there. Select, then insert your flash drive and you click select array. Okay. Load our net. Forward things, finishing it's complete. Flash complete. Look back and restart your PC. Be sure flash completed. Then we have to go and restart your PC. Close on the files. Notice that way. And then by your setup, then put from USB this select the USB boot storage, then open it, yes. Save changes, and it should be restarted. For your booted in Kali Linux, you should have to select second one option, then Graphical Install, then select your lineage, select your zone, it's always recommended if you install Kali, you can select whatever you want. It should configure all the files, stick out, let it switch itself. Now if you have to change the user, you can change it from there. Create your password. Using Titus. So let's see if using Titus. It's very important if we are using the entire disk, so we have access all of the program of Kali Linux, like all of the disk with the VM reaching machine. You don't have lots of access to run up penetration testing. Okay, we have all the environment checked. Okay, we continue. Great. Yes. We have to select from here the FSD, our guide for candidates, data here. Then with Kali Linux, it's all successfully installed. Remove the flash drive and then continue. Okay, great. Now we are in our Kali Linux platform or system. Now we are in Kali Linux. All are installed. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if it helps you. You can enter your login account. Now we are on the desktop screen. It's loaded. All set. We have all the tools available candidates working very good. Vulnerability analysis, all the web application analysis, CMS framework, WPS scan, burp suite, all things are set. Great. So a terminal, we can check it. Okay, fine, it's working fine, everything fine. Now we have Kali Linux. It's down in your system. Thank you very much.